Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to install Dropbox on Windows 11. Dropbox lets you store files in the cloud, synchronize them across device and easily share files with others. So let's get started. So firstly, open your browser. Here you will search for Dropbox, download, visit the official website. Here you will see www.dropbox.com. Click on the first. Here you will see it will start loading. For this you have good internet connection. Now you will see Dropbox is faster on desktop. Now click on install. Here you will see almost done. Double click the installer in download folder. You can try again. It will be showing in the downloads. Here you will see Dropbox installer.exe. Now double tap on this Dropbox installer and click on yes. It will initializing, downloading. Minimize this screen. You will see downloading 2 minutes remaining. It will download all the files. You will see it will 2 times installed. So our one is this 36 seconds remaining. It's almost completed. Once installed, Dropbox will open automatically. Here you will see it's completed successfully. Now it will automatically open. You will see this is completed. Now go to start menu and search for Dropbox. Here you will see, tap on it. First time it will take 1 to 2 minutes to open, and the second time it will instantly open from the next time. You will see it will open. Now you can sign in with Dropbox or create an account on dropbox.com. Click on open sign up. It will opening in the browser. Here you can continue with your Apple ID, continue with Microsoft ID or your Google ID. Complete the setup, and that's it. If you have already ID, you can sign in using your user ID and email ID or password. That's it. You have successfully installed Dropbox on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.